Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you are here. Tell me if this sounds familiar. You sit down to make jewelry piece, open your bead drawer, kills so many colors, textures, and metals, and you are thinking, where do I even start? I've been there so many times, but once you learn a few simple color matching tips, it all clicks. Suddenly, your pieces start to look intentional, like they belong in a boutique display. Today, we're going to chat all about how to choose color palettes for jewelry, what emotions color carry, how to mix metals, and how to build a palette that feels just right. So, grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's make color your favorite design too. Let's start with color symbolism, because color aren't just pretty, they communicate. Take red for example. In Western culture, red usually represents power, love, and passion. It's bold, energetic, and really grabs attention. You can see how strong and commanding it feels. That's why red often symbolizes authority and confidence. But in China, red means something different. It's about joy, luck, and celebration. You will see it everywhere. Traditional Chinese wedding wear bright red for happiness and prosperity, and festival like Lunar New Year with red lanterns and envelopes symbolizing good fortune. I love how the same color can carry such different emotion across cultures. It's one of the reasons color in jewelry design is so fascinating. Now, let's talk about how to combine color so they actually look good together. There are 4 main color schemes I swear by. First, monochromatic. Different shades of the same color like light blue, medium blue, deep navy, elegant, cohesive, and super easy. Second, analogs. Colors next to each other on the wheel like green, teal, and blue feels natural and calming. Think ocean tones. Third, complementary. All sides on the wheel like blue and orange, red and green, bold and eye-catching. If it feels too strong, just tone down brightness or saturation. Fourth, triadic. 3 colors even spaced on the wheel, like pink, blue, and yellow, energetic and full of personality. Honestly, play around with this and see what feels good to your eyes. Sometimes your instincts will surprise you. Now, let's talk metals. Because the metal you choose totally changes the mood of your piece. Gold adds warmth and a luxury glow. Silver feels cool, sleek, and modern. Rose gold brings a soft, romantic vibe. Antique brass feels rustic and vintage. Here's a fun experiment. Use the same beads combination, but swap the metal color. You will be amazed at how the whole personality of the jewelry changes. When I first started, I stuck to one metal tone, but mixing them like gold with silver accents can make a piece feel fresh and modern. Alright, let's build your own color palette together. Here's my simple formula. Start with your favorite color. That's your anchor. Add a neutral or metallic tone to balance it, white, gold, or silver. Add one accent color for pop of contrast and sparkle. Lay all your beads out on a neutral space before you start making, almost like painting, until it feels right. There is no strict rule. It's all about what looks harmonious to you. And yes, Sometimes you will stare at your beadboard for 15 minutes thinking, something's off. It's totally normal. Just tweak one color or metal tone. It usually fixes everything. If you think all of this still feels a bit complicated, don't worry. Let me show you a super simple way to pick colors that always look good together. I'm using a free tool called Adobe Color. I put the link in description and the first comment. You will see a big color wheel with little circles. Each presents a color in your palette. Left panel, color harmony rules, analogous, monochromatic, complementary. Move the main color circle, the others adjust automatically. Bottom bar shows hex codes. Screenshot or note them to match your beads or metals. They are the colors with hex codes. You can delete or add color in this bar. Click Save to save the thing to your library or your computer to use it in your design. Let's go back to left panel. Extract theme. Upload your image. Adobe will automatically generate a color palette. You can then adjust the colors by dragging the color markers or change the color mood. Color matching isn't just for jewelry. It applies to everyday outfits, home decor, and even workspace styling. Understanding harmony makes everything look balanced and beautiful. I'd love to hear from you. What kind of videos do you want to see next? More jewelry design tips, mixing texture and materials, or ways to apply design principle to everyday life? Your ideas inspire my next videos, so leave them in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe. It really helps me to keep creating content for you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, design isn't about rules, it's about expression. Stay creative, stay inspired, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!